how to delete everything on your iPhone. So once you've decided that you want to delete everything on your phone, it will be like as good as new. What you're gonna do is you're gonna go ahead to your settings and make sure first, before you delete everything, is by going to your account right here on iCloud and going to iCloud right here and iCloud backup. All right, and make sure that you've backed up all of your data, keychain, mails, photos, and videos. All right, so once you click backup now, you will wait for a few moments, and once it's done, you're gonna just head back and we're gonna go to delete everything on our phone by going to right here to general. All right, you'll see multiple options. You're gonna scroll a little bit down and you're gonna see transfer or reset iPhone. So it says right here, make sure everything's ready to transfer to a new iPhone. So if you want to erase all of this content and settings and everything that you have on this phone and transfer it to a new iPhone, please make sure that you've, as I said before, upload all of your data and keychain and all that to your iCloud. Okay, and we're gonna click the second option, which is erase all content and settings. Okay, it says right here, erasing will sign out of your Apple ID and remove your personal data. So this iPhone can be safely traded or given away if you want to give it to another person. So we're gonna just go ahead right here and continue. Okay, and we're gonna enter our passcode to unlock this iPhone. Okay, and probably will ask you about your iCloud and password as well. And once you added all that, you will wait until it erased all of your information related to this iPhone, and eventually you can hand it over to anyone who wants to use this device, and you can transfer all of your information safely if you want to use a new iPhone. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.